The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall.
I tell you something, man. You see the same front on all of you can't see me. I put on badness. Yeah? Make sure I tell you that. I put on badness. I'm not afraid of nobody. What you see, sir? Nobody. Make sure I tell you that. Yeah? Make sure I tell you that now. Me try to sleep with gun underneath my pillow. Frank, I can't tell you. I'm not seeing who I'm afraid of. I make sure I tell you that. Yeah? I cool me, I keep myself. I said me come in and I try to keep myself cool myself. Make sure I tell you that. Yeah? And you love police, so you see if I tell them say you can't say much of the police and tell them say me see so. Because you love police, you know. Yeah, you can't tell them say me see so. Yeah? I'm not afraid of nobody. Yeah? Make sure I tell you that. Yeah. I want life me have to live, I'm gonna live it. Make sure I tell you that. Yeah? Oh yeah, say much to come tell about boy you move up. Let me tell you something, man. Nobody comes at the house unless me say go. Cause anybody you feel like I fool you, and any man you feel like you have a bricks and I fool you. Remember say I make a come here, I may kill both you and them. You remember that? So anybody ever fool you, you have a next thing coming. Anyway you go back, I must pan the plane and go back to Jamaica. Alright, you have a next thing coming. Make sure I tell you that. So you try to you start stick that and put that in your head back. Me did know a long time, me did hear a long time. You want people to tell me, say you have man out there, so I don't that. Gonna make them out there. And that's true. Gonna make them out there, me know a long time, but I tell you, your body they might carry on in a board box. So that man will come pick up at the airport, your body might come pick up in a board box. Remember me tell you that.
That sounds serious. That sounds really serious. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, me there again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, I just presented to you pieces of audios that have been put together and posted some places on social media where it is said that a jealous man threatened a female who he is or was in a relationship with. Some places on social media it is said that those pieces of audios are about a jealous boyfriend who threatened his girlfriend. You see me? I want to say to each and every one out there, see, do not take any threats lightly. It's not the first time I'm saying this. You see me? I say, don't take no threats lightly. Take it serious, cause I may never know. Alright? Alright, you can let me know what you think about those pieces of audios that I just presented to you. You see? Now I have videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and the first video I'm going to present to you, this video had been recorded somewhere within the United Kingdom. This video shows when a man handed over weapons to the police somewhere within the United Kingdom. It's like the person saw a few police officers and said, hey, I have machetes and knife, and the person showed the police where those machetes and knife are at, and the police take them. In my point of view, it seems as if the person wants to turn over a new leaf in his life. Yes, I say, I'm respect that. I respect that, you see it. Alright, tell me what you think about this video. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Yeah, if you check my name up, it's in the system, Metropolitan system.
I have no reason to disbelieve it.
No, I'm just saying, so I take massive children, I've got like a long machete, I've got 2 long machetes, and a small little Rambo knife, and like a broken flip knife. It's in the car. I was gonna hand it in later, but mate, if you want it, take it.
I'll take it off you.
Cheers, appreciate it.
It wasn't about you, by the way.
Okay, cool. Hey officer, so you're gonna come and get this out of the car?
Really?
I just told you. So basically, yeah, I run the weapons down the street, young children with a knife. I've done a detection earlier, but instead of going drive with his knives unnecessarily, I'm saying I'm sweet at him. He said yes.
Thank you. Oh man, what a pooch as well.
Little shepherd.
Do you want us to take him put him in the car?
Yeah.
Which one goes with the sheep?
The 2 big ones, the 2 big ones go in the sheep, and the small one goes in the little sheep as well.
Fucking hell.
Yeah, so that one goes, yeah. Honestly, but it's nothing dodgy. If you check my name up here, it's gonna come up with everything there.
But I say I have no reason to disbelieve you at all, mate.
Yeah, of course.
Should be quite nice to
You see some of the others again.
I'd hate to think,
honestly.
I'd honestly hate to think.
From
That shows how sharp it is. I
No way,
stab
you just
myself in the
got
thumb with it.
You just stab yourself?
Just stab
Yeah.
myself.
Oh, mate.
That's why you should wear gloves. We wear gloves, you see.
Yeah, mate. Yeah.
There's one there as well. And
Oh shit.
try and reach in and get to that.
Can do. Take me climbing in. I'll get stuck in fat. Good boy.
1355.
Mate, kids me in business now, eh? Shows how sharp it is. Yeah, shows how sharp it is, doesn't it?
Cheers, mate. That's all of it today. Kids.
Mad, isn't it?
Good boy. Super boy.
I respect that person. I respect what that person had done. We should not be carrying weapons. We should be carrying pure love for each other. You see? Yeah. We shouldn't be carrying weapons. We should be just carrying pure love and money in our pocket. As I say, yeah, but for real though, you know, I respect what that person had done. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. Alright? Now I'm going to move on to another video. The next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a female who said some things that gave me the understanding that she talked about some things that some persons on social media do that she do not agree with. That's the understanding that I got from the things that this female said. Yes, what I said to you, I want you to take a look at this video and listen to the things that this female said and tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that she said. Alright? Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
You know what I understand? You come on my page and you hear me a cuss and I say, I'm not like broke man. You not agree. But you comment, you start follow me and you cuss. You go on somebody else's page. You see she a lesbian. You go cuss her. Where you coming for? From me to say you're lesbian, I mean I like it, me a scroll past. Same thing. You go on a man page and you see say my gay. Me not do with it, me not stitch it, me not comment, me not like, me a scroll past fast. Cause me not like it, don't? But you have to sit down, watch out the whole video, cuss and comment. Tell me if you're not sick.
Yeah, viewers and subscribers, I agree with a lot of the things that this female said. Yeah, I agree with a lot of the things that she said. I mean, the video is right there. I don't really need to explain certain things that she said. As I said, yeah, but I agree with a lot of the things that she said. You have a thing that is known as cyberbullying, you know. Yes, you have a thing that is known as cyberbullying. Just point out that. See? That is not a good thing to do. It is not a good thing to do. You should not do that. Yeah, man. So some of the times when you see someone say some things, if the person is a type of person that you do not like the person's lifestyle or so forth, just leave them alone, man, and go watch a different video on social media or something. You see me? No, but you have some people that just love the mix-up. Yeah, you have some people just love the mix-up. I just saw some of them still. Anyways, big up and respect. Yes, I'm not gonna left it. You know, you don't know me Dancehall skill. I'm only here to keep you up to date and post it, let you know what's going on. Present it to your audios and videos that are being talked about on social media. And you can let me know what you think about them, alright? Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? My name is Dancehall Skilla. I want to big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla.
hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.